I want to save people money. I feel like the people in history that made the greatest impact, they did it because they helped the most people. And that's what I'm trying to do. That's why I created a really inexpensive product that will give you absolutely amazing results. By the way, the entirety of the NFL is using this as well. They've got millions of dollars they can spend on all kinds of strength training equipment. They don't bother with any of that. They use this product because it's super effective and adds a level of safety beyond what you get with regular weight training. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective. Today, I want to talk about how you save money on fitness. So, some of you know my background, probably most of you don't, because I started in my life sciences adventure many years ago when I developed a medical device called OsteoStrong. And there's clinics, there's OsteoStrong clinics, there's 300 clinics in 15 different countries. What OsteoStrong does is put axial, this is the axis of a bone, compressive force on bone to trigger bone density upregulation. It's typically targeted at the postmenopausal population, but it works for everybody. So stronger bones, fracture resistance, that's the concept. Now, one of the things I noticed through the adventure of getting that out into the public is that budget really matters for people. So we really worked hard to make OsteoStrong an experience that was affordable for people. Now, this is not something you have in your home. You got to go to a clinic because the equipment is like, the equipment I designed is like $400,000 for one full setup. But with the clinic model, it becomes affordable for everybody. When I wanted to launch a fitness product, one of the goals was it's got to be super affordable. Like if it's not super affordable, I don't want to do it. Like I don't want to be Ferrari. I want to be Toyota. I want to produce a product that everybody can get behind. I wish I could come up with an American equivalent, but American auto companies are really not doing so great right now, so that's not a good example. Clearly, I'm a fan of America. So I want to get everybody behind what I'm doing, not just because it works better and because it's safer, but also because it's super inexpensive. So when you use X3, when you use variable resistance, basically it's a $550 product, and yes, there are accessories and things that can add to the effectiveness, but in the beginning, you might be 2 years from worrying about any of those accessories. If you get a hold of an X3, you're gonna do so much better because you get to train with more force, but the force is slightly offloaded at the bottom. And I know there's some clowns on the internet that say you really want to focus on the stretch, range, and motion. Okay, that's where you injure the most. So like, just think about where injuries happen. They don't happen at the top, they happen at the bottom. And you know, here I'm gonna have the editors put in a couple of different reps of movements that I'm doing, and you'll see the force that's created. It's in the hundreds of pounds. Like I do rows, 400 pounds at peak, deadlift, 600 pounds at peak. I did all of this. I built this physique with this product. I did not have a physique like this. Keep that in mind. Check it out. Also, you should really join the forum. If you're skeptical at all, and I mean, look, I'm selling a product, so be skeptical. Be skeptical of anybody who's selling you a product. Because yeah, there's a lot of jerks out there who are gonna recommend something that's not good. So if you're skeptical, and you should be, go join the forum on Facebook. We have a X3 bar users group on Facebook. There's 40,000 people in there that are X3 users. They're all real people, all real accounts. You can ask them questions. They're posting results all the time. They have results like me too, so it's not like I'm the only one. Also, I've never been beyond a replacement level, which is a natural level of testosterone. I'm a little strategic about how I use that replacement dosage. I have other videos on that. You can check that out. But I want to save people money. I feel like the people in history that made the greatest impact, they did it because they helped the most people. And that's what I'm trying to do. That's why I created a really inexpensive product that will give you absolutely amazing results. By the way, the entirety of the NFL is using this as well. They've got millions of dollars they can spend on all kinds of strength training equipment. They don't bother with any of that. They use this product because it's super effective and adds a level of safety beyond what you get with regular weight training. I will answer questions in the comments if you have them. And remember, join that Facebook group, X3 Bar Users Group. That's gonna blow your mind when you see all these different people having all these incredible results. I wanna save you money, I wanna help you, and I also want you to fact check everything I say so you know I'm not just being a salesman, I'm really just sharing my excitement with this whole adventure that I've been on with these 40,000 people. I mean, it's built up to 40,000 people over the last few years. Check it out, see you on the next one.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm gonna put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're gonna help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.